Following the release of the Xiaomi 17 series in China, the company's next device with Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 will be the Redmi K90 Pro. That phone will go on to be badged as the POCO F8 Ultra globally, and its camera hardware details have now been exposed in a new leak. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 phone is listed with an OVX 9500 main camera. The POCO F8 Ultra could house a triple camera setup on the rear, comprising a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope shooter. A 50-megapixel sensor for selfie. One of the standout changes may come in the form of a massive 7000 mAh battery support 100W wired fast charging as well as wireless charging. An LTPO OLED panel with either 1.5K or 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, promising smooth visuals and efficient power use. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.